How to delete Google account permanently on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video is based on how you can delete your Google account permanently on Android device. In order to begin with, check your internet connection and go to your settings application of your device. After that, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom and go ahead and click on Google. As soon as you've done that, you'll be taken to the info page where you'll need to select the particular account which you actually want to delete permanently. After that, under your Google account, you need to click on manage your Google account. This is going to take you to the manage page. Over here, you need to swipe towards your left hand side and click on data and privacy, or section. You'll need to scroll down right to the bottom. Now right at the bottom, you have this option as delete your Google account, which is right at the bottom. So you'll need to click on it if you're sure about deleting your account. Here you'll need to confirm your identity. So for that, you'll be either asked to provide in your password or your device is locked. So click on the continue button and confirm your identity. Next page is going to direct you to the confirmation page. So here you need to read through this carefully and you need to go through it all. Now, along with deleting your Google account, all of your services will also be deleted, such as your YouTube account, your Gmail ID, your Google Photos, your calendar and all that, your Play Store and all that. So if you're sure about it, then scroll down to the bottom, mark on the terms and conditions, click on delete account. As soon as you've done that, on the other page, your account will be deleted with the statement and your account will be removed from your device as well. So in this way, you can delete Google account permanently on Android. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.